Hello everyone, this is me Rashmi Ojha. Welcome to Nigzi ki Pathshala. Today we will gonna study about another verb that is used to. Let's get started. We use used to when we talk about past habit. Suppose when we talk about used to, we will say here I used to sleep late at night. मैं रात में लेट में सोया करता था. तो यहाँ पे ये पास्ट हैबिट की बात कर रहा है. नेक्स्ट, some people even use used to or uses to for present tense, simple present tense. That is wrong. Used to, uses to or used to when we talk about simple past tense. But that is wrong. We cannot use it for simple past tense. We can use those verbs that is used for simple past tense. When I say I study till 10 p.m. So here I am talking about something that I am doing. That is simple present tense I am using here. But we cannot use used to in place of this. Why? Because used to is just used for past habit, not for present habit. Next, as you can see that we used to make three kind of sentence. First is affirmative. That is a positive sentence. Suppose if I say, so this is also in past tense and I am talking about I used to come here. मैं यहाँ आया करता था या आया करती थी. ठीक है, तो affirmative is just a positive sentence, or you can say that it's a general statement. But when I'm talking about negative sentence, in negative sentence we just only add not. If I had to say I used to come here, this is the general sentence. Negative sentence, I used not to come here. Or you can even say that I did not used to come here. I did not used to come here. मैं यहाँ नहीं आया करता था. So this is a negative sentence. Wherever you see there is a not in the sentence, it is a negative sentence. Okay. And there is a third more sentence. If we are asking question, generally those questioning statement are interrogative sentence. If I say use she to come here, क्या वो यहाँ आया करती थी? या I have used did in place of used to. Did she used to come here? This is also another way of asking question, and this is also when we are talking about something past. Okay, so these are the three kind of statement. And if I have to talk about any habitual action, if I say I am used to sleeping late at night, but whenever we are using it in present tense, obviously that is something happening right now, that is something that you are doing, that is something that is still continuing. So on that time we will use ing form after used to. Why? Because it is something that is going on, that is still you are doing. Okay, so instead of sleep we will use sleeping. Where whatever you are saying, that if I am used to listening to pop song, something like this. Okay, let's summarize. Used to is another verb that we use in a place where we talk about past habit. As I told you, when we talk about past habit, that is would. Second is used to, or you can use simple past tense. Okay, when we talk about past habit, this is the first thing where we use used to. And the second is whenever we talk about used to, we talk about in something that is happening in the past, so we cannot use it in for present tense or simple present tense. There you just have to use simple present tense form, those verbs that can be used for simple present. As I earlier told you, affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence, how we used to change the sentence in these forms. So these are the places where you can use used to. So that's it for today. I hope you guys understood what is used to. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if anybody still have any doubt about this, topic. So please do comment in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.